Welcome to the 1999 BMW M3. This is the E36 two-door coupe. This has an inline 6 motor, S52, 3.2 liter, in the Cosmo Schwartz metallic color. It's beautiful. It looks great in the sun. Has an awesome metallic flake in it. Go ahead and do a quick walk around. This one is OEM Plus, so it just has a stock exhaust, stock intake, has a lightweight flywheel, UUC M5 clutch, has an aluminum radiator, upgraded water pump, but everything else is stock. Let's go ahead and show you the interior real quick. So the interior here, we have a sand beige interior. It's actually in really good shape. Let's show you the back seats here. Looks like the back seats have never even been sat in. Pretty incredible. We have the headrest in the back with the late models of the E36. We got the 3-spoke steering wheel with the late models as well. No glove box sag, which is nice. This has been fixed in the past. I have a folder with all of the records in it. So just look at this passenger seat. This is in incredible condition. Got my little sun visor here to keep it protected. Yeah, really good shape. Really nice color combo. Love the Vader seats. Big plus on this car for me. Go ahead and show you the trunk, just for shits and giggles. Nice clean trunk. Decent amount of space. We got the spare contour wheel in there. I just got a brand new BMW battery underneath here. All the tools are in here still, which is cool. I love how BMW does it. Awesome, always comes in handy. Go ahead and pop the hood. Yeah, this car has held up really well. As you can see, we have the aluminum radiator here, stock intake, which is hard to come by nowadays. So yeah, really good shape, running really nice. Has 240 horsepower, 236 pound-feet of torque, so that's not terrible. Actually, when you drive this on the back roads and everything, it's plenty fast. Handles really well. So yeah, I've had this car actually for 10 years. So I'm a chef, and after I graduated culinary school, I ended up buying this for myself. A little present for myself, which this is one of my dream cars since they came out. So I do love the E46, but this was my first love, and then it became the E36 M3. But these were a little bit cheaper back then, but they've since risen in value. So here's the key. I do have another key that has the light on it, but I keep that separate. All right, we're gonna go start it up now. Runs really smooth. See, if I turn the ASC off, you can see it up here. AC and everything works really good. Ice cold. And then you can see here we got check control okay, got no problems. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin. This car feels really comfortable and smooth. Compared to my S2000, this is just like luxury. The shifter feels really nice. Quite surprised it's holding up so well. I usually go this way, but we got a truck and trailer, so we're gonna go to the next road, see if we can pass them. So right now I'm going 80, and she's just loving it. Easy to rev match. Really good injection noises on this car. Handling is superb. The suspension in this car is a bit soft, but it feels super stable. Hugs the corners really well. Definitely feels stable at high speeds. Such a good car. I've been contemplating selling this car for quite some time, but every time I drive it, I just change my mind. I mean, what else can I get for the same amount of money that you would get for this? Not much. Rear wheel drive, inline 6. Turn around. Such a good looking car too. Can't get much better than this. So this car is currently over 25 years old. It's a 99. So I'm waiting for a historical plate, which is awesome. I love having older cars because it's only $30 in Michigan for 10 years to register this car. Otherwise, I'd be paying $200 every year, which I have been, which is fine, but you can't beat $30 for 10 years. So just driving casually in 4th gear feels really smooth. Put it in 5th, the RPMs drop. In the US model, we got miles per gallon down here. Alright, let's go ahead and take these curves. For these curves, I can just literally leave it in 4th gear because it has enough torque. Nice around the corners. Even with the stock intake and exhaust, it still gives you the sounds that you need and want. Plenty of power, plenty of get up and go. go ahead and do a calm, easy going 0 to 60. Hit it. She's driving good. Brakes are really good in this car. This car does have a nice sway to it. It feels like it's going to have body roll, but once I take the corner, it's super stable. Stays flat, while also being comfortable on these bumps, these bumpy roads, which is nice. When I drive my Honda S2000, you can feel everything in the road. But that car is like a go-kart, so once you drive it for a little bit, you forget about it. Okay, it looks like I'm getting the heel toe down now. This does have the lightweight flywheel, so the RPMs do drop pretty fast, so you got to shift a little quicker than I'm used to with a normal car. Super fun. Getting used to the heel toe a little bit, but I gotta get ready to go to work now. I work in a fine dining restaurant as the chef, and it's been going really well. This is the first kitchen I've been working in almost 5 years. I was in the cannabis industry for a long time, and that was amazing. One of the best jobs I ever had. The business ended up closing down. But I do like the job I have more than I did then, which ended up working out for me. It's an amazing restaurant with amazing people. Super grateful. Alright everybody, well thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. I'm doing the best I can with the time I have. I've been taking care of my dad. My dad's 86 years old. Just trying to do my dream, you know. So if you guys are out there contemplating if you want to go for your dream, to me the hardest part was just starting it and then just keeping it up. Guarantee if you put your work in, put time and effort, it will pay off. The worst thing for me that happens is I get to drive cool cars, and you can't complain about that. So it's pretty amazing. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Appreciate it.